You're losing thousands of dollars every month because you will not hit publish. You're saying to yourself that you're a perfectionist. It got to be right. My website, my designs, everything has to be perfect before I launch. And listen, I'm telling you this as a recovering perfectionist. Perfectionism is nothing but procrastination dressed up in fancy. Okay. It's not doing anything for you, but costing you money. So this weekend, if you're watching this on Friday, if you're not, that's fine. Just adjust it for yourself. If you're watching this on Friday, you're going to be a brand owner by Monday. If you follow everything that I say in this video, watch it until the end, you are going to have one product launched on one platform, one design. That's all I want you to focus on. That's it. Just that. All right. If you're going to do it, I need for you to comment and let me know I'm doing it. I'm done getting my own way. Okay. And we're talking about, I'm sitting in the car. Okay. I don't even do videos like this, but it needed to be said. I got notes and everything. Listen, the real cost of you waiting is this. If one sale a day is $20 in profit, waiting 30 more days costs you $600. Waiting 90 days costs you $1,800. That's the price of perfectionism. I don't know about you, but I could use an extra $1,800. Okay. Every week you don't launch is another week that somebody else has launched. And you're watching saying, "What? That I had that idea. I thought about that. I was going to do that, but you didn't do it. And somebody else did it." I have literally had months where I have made 20, 30, 40, all of this money, thousands, 20, 30, 40,000 in my business. And I've had friends who just threw a website up, put something together, and they've made over 100,000. All right. I want you to get out of your thinking that it has to be a certain way in order for you to make money, in order for you to be successful. Okay. So I'm going to give you your weekend plan. First thing you're going to do for your very first day is log into Printify. If you already have an account, that's even better. If you don't, you can click the link in my description or comment Printify and I will send you over my link. You don't need a credit card or anything. It's free. Now, Printify is a print-on-demand company, which means that they are printing, packing, and shipping your products for you. I used Printify when I didn't have a lot of resources, and that's why I work with them, because it's worked for me. I don't ever tell people to do something that I would not do myself. So I'm telling you to log into Printify as your first step and figure out what it is that you want to sell. But you're going to choose one product that you want to sell. That is your very first assignment. All right. Next thing that you're going to do, now that you kind of have an idea of what excites you, what you love, you're going to choose your niche. Who are you selling this product to? Who are those people? It's not everybody. It's not everybody. A lot of people get this mixed up. You're trying to create a product and you're like, my product is for everybody. Everybody's going to love it. I'm going to make so much money. And then you don't make any money because you don't know who to sell to. So figure out your niche by going to one of our favorite AI partners. Okay. Chat, Claude, Gemini, whoever. And you're going to ask for a niche based on the products that you want to sell. You can even tell them who you are and what you like. Tell them what age group that you want to sell these products to. Tell them the type of person that you want to sell these products to. And if you don't know, you can say that to the AI. I don't know. Help me find my niche. All right. Once you know your niche, you've already done most of the work that a lot of people never do. Okay. You've already done a lot of the work that people don't do. But once you do that, you are then going to figure out what design, one design that you're going to put on your product. You can do this with Claude or Chat too. Figure it out, play around. What should it say based on your niche? And then you can go to Canva and you can create your design and then you can upload it into Printify. If you don't want to do all that and you would just want to go straight into creating your design, you can do it directly on Printify. They got AI built right in. Okay. So you can do an AI design. You can do a text design. Let me tell you, in 2026, as I am filming this, very sleek and minimal text designs are doing very well because the people in your niche, they just want something to connect to. The world is going crazy right now. They ain't got time for the designs all over the place and stuff all over. Just give them something simple to connect to. All right. And you can do that inside of Printify. You can choose a template they already have. You can, play around and choose what your one design is going to be. I know you probably got a few. You've been thinking about it for years, but that's okay. Choose your one design. The next thing that you're going to do is let AI, already built in, help you write your product title. It's going to help you write a description. If you want, you can add in your spin based on your niche and the people you want to connect to. And then you're going to price your product, which AI is going to help you do all of this, right? And then you're going to create a Printify pop-up store. Now, you do not have to pay for a Printify pop-up store. They pay you every month. Now, eventually, you can sell on Shopify. You can sell on TikTok Shop. You can sell on Etsy. You can sell on all of these places. But for this getting out of our own way challenge, not being a perfectionist, we are just going to create a Printify pop-up store just so you can have your one design, your one product, and your one listing done. All right. This is going to tell your brain, I can do this. I can do this. I got this. And this is all it takes. After you do that, you're going to go after that one sale. You're going to tell somebody, this is my Printify store. I just launched it. You're going to share it. You're going to post it. And you can even get yourself a sample product, wear it, embrace it, enjoy it, and tell yourself that you can do this and it does not have to be perfect. And after you do that, you can go crazy. Create your other products, add it to other websites, do whatever it is that you want to do. But this is how you're going to get out of your own way this weekend or whenever you are watching this. Then once you do that, I want to see your store. Comment. Let me know that you did it. You are out here. You are telling yourself that you can do this and it does not have to be perfect. And I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. So shout out to you. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I have a ton of videos about Printify if you need more help setting your store up. But let me know in the comments. I love you guys. Proud of you. And I'll see you in the next video.